What's going on YouTube? So today you will find our ARRMA VORTEX, which is I took the motor and the ASC. This is the new ARRMA VORTEX BLX 4x4. This is a new version, so it's a little bit hard because it's the videos that I find in YouTube is all in the old model. So this one is different, a bit different. So now this is the chassis now with no motor and ASC. Put some brakes in here. So what I gonna anybody explain to me how to do it, guys? Because this one, I like this one in here. I like this one to put in here. But still, I don't know how to do it. But if this one will goes like that, and if I do like that, how to screw? Differential. Boom. Finish. Let's take off. So it's very new, guys. See? It's perfect. Massive solution, guys. Good. Perfect. and still I can that's it. Perfect. So what I did, guys, I do like this. See? So still the original is here, so I can slide this one off here. It can be take off, so put the original one, but for now this one is really good, so I can put this thing right here. So we got two fans now. Perfect. So it's there. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put this first, line up, and we have to know our mesh, the gear mesh in here. So let's figure out. So this is the hole. I think so. Yeah, that's the whole one. So the hole is here, right there, and then our lock, thread lock. Thread lock. ARRMA Vortex 3S BLX.